Well, every single thing in this world has its own importance, regardless of its size, shape or looks. There is nothing insignificant here. Before you call something as such, you should try to make it out. A good mindset always brings you cheerfulness. Probably this is the very message what the poet Robert Frost wants to pass through the poem Dust of Snow. Let us see Dust of Snow. Once it happened that the poet was very upset. He stepped out of home. To his surprise, he found that every plant and tree was covered with a lot of snow. चारों तरफ बर्फ ही बर्फ, पेड़ पौधे भी बर्फ से ढके हुए थे. He then moved a little forward and then sat under a tree. Just then, a crow alighted onto the top of the tree. In fact, it was hemlock tree. What happened? A crow alighted onto the top of the tree. The sudden arrival of the crow shook the branch. With the result, snowflakes came onto the head of the poet. And फिर क्या होता है? चलिए इसे समझते हैं. फिर poet क्या कहते हैं? चलिए इसे देखते हैं. Poet कहते हैं, The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. जिस तरीके से एक कौवे ने हेमलॉक पेड़ को झकझोरा है, इसके ब्रांच को झकझोरा है, इससे धूलकन के समान जो स्नो था, धूलकन के समान जो बर्फ था, वो हमारे ऊपर जो गिरा, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruled. इससे हमारा मन बिल्कुल बदल गया है, हमारा सोच बिल्कुल बदल गया है. ये पोइट कहते हैं. In fact, the poet seems to be a very positive minded here. He wants to give a lesson that there is nothing insignificant here. Even a crow or a hemlock tree, which is known as a poisonous tree. Hemlock tree एक poisonous tree है, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने अपने पोएम में एक crow को स्थान दिया है और एक hemlock tree को स्थान दिया है. He hasn't considered other birds like the peacock, like cuckoo birds and nightingale. On the other side, he has taken the hemlock. Hemlock tree को लिया उसने. He hasn't taken a pine tree, oak tree or anything as such. What does it mean? Simply he wants to give a lesson here that every single thing in this universe has its own importance. There is nothing insignificant. कोई भी चीज़ दुनिया में तुच्छ नहीं है. प्रत्येक चीज़ की एक अलग अहमियत होती है. So this is what the poet has given the message through this poem. Now let us see the literary device here. Rhyme scheme को देखिए. Crow, me, snow, tree. The rhyme scheme here. Crow, me, and then again the crow is matched with snow, me is matched with tree, which is why A, B, A, B. So then rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B. Now let us see another literary device here. Dust of snow, धूलकन के समान बर्फ. Now see, this is called metaphor. When the two things are compared without using the word as or like, we call it a metaphor. Indirect comparison है. तो देखिए दूसरी लिटरेरी डिवाइस को लेता हूं यहाँ पे. डस्ट ऑफ स्नो, ये मेटाफर है. अब देखिए देयर इज वन मोर लिटरेरी डिवाइस हियर. सेव्ड सम, एस, इट बिगिंस विथ एस एंड द अनदर वर्ड बिगिंस विथ एस. सो व्हेन द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड और इट्स साउंड इज रिपीटेड इन द सेम लाइन. नाउ लिसन वंस अगेन. द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड और इट्स साउंड इज रिपीटेड इन द सेम लाइन, वी कॉल इट alliteration. Now the poet has used another literary device here, alliteration. So this is how I explained the poem. I'm very sure you must have enjoyed the video. If there is anything relating to this, please comment down. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel DK English World. Thank you so much.